Assalamu alaikum. I am Ryan Ahmed, President and founder of World Human Rights Preservation Organization. Now I will discuss on world politics and Bangladesh politics. I have taken my lecture from United States of America, renowned newspaper, the New York Times. Donald Trump is waging on his own citizens how Republicans re-engineered the tax code. After years of Republican effort, the United States of America tax code now blends traditional supply side economics with President Donald Trump's populist campaign promises Donald Trump to sign sweeping domestic policy bill into law. Why China is not lecturing Trump uh, about his costly bill. How will Trump's policy bill affect your wallet? Donald Trump claims sweeping power to nullify laws. Letters on TikTok ban show. Is this really how we are legislating now? I am working to stop war among countries between the world in India, Pakistan. I want to stop India-Pakistan war. I want to stop India-Bangladesh war. I want to stop Myanmar government and Myanmar military, Myanmar army and Myanmar general people, and I want to stop a war between South Korea and North Korea. I want to stop war between Palestine and Israel. I want to stop war between Russia and Ukraine. I want to stop war between Azerbaijan, Armenia. It is my vision to make the world great. That's why I am working for that. Hazrat Adam alayhi salam, Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, Hazrat Musa alayhi salam, Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam, Hazrat Noah alayhi salam, Hazrat Hud alayhi salam, Hazrat Lut alayhi salam, Hazrat Salih alayhi salam, Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam, Hazrat Ishaq alayhi salam, Hazrat Ayub alayhi salam, Hazrat Shuaib alayhi salam, Hazrat Zakaria alayhi salam, Hazrat Yahya alayhi salam, Hazrat Idris alayhi salam, Hazrat Harun alayhi salam, Hazrat Dawud alayhi salam, Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam, Hazrat Yash alayhi salam, Hazrat Muhammad alayhi salam, Hazrat Shuaib alayhi salam, Hazrat Zakaria alayhi salam, Hazrat Yahya alayhi salam, Hazrat Idris alayhi salam, Hazrat Harun alayhi salam, Hazrat Shuaib alayhi salam, Hazrat Zakaria alayhi salam, Hazrat Dawud alayhi salam, Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam, Hazrat Yash alayhi salam এবং Hazrat Shish alayhi salam. I am working to ensure human rights, peace, justice, education around the world. I believe that violence has no religion. Make the world great, set peace in our world, and make the world great. Make the world great. Together we can make our world great.